All right, guys, oh, here's a good question. This is question number 29. All right, so basically this is going to be a transformation question. So we're going to be given two functions and they want us to figure out what the transformation is and which student is right about the transformation. So basically, whenever you see a question like this, you should be graphing, okay? My rule is anytime you're given a function, you should graph it because there's a lot of good information in there. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this larger so you can see everything. And then I am going to do 4, 1, 2. And my first function, I'm going to put in the parent function. So the parent function is x squared. And then I'm going to look at this function here, g of x. So I'm going to go to my calculator and I'm going to put in x squared. We know that's going to be a quadratic of just a regular quadratic. And now I'm going to press tab and I'm going to enter the second graph, g of x. And this is going to be 2 parentheses x minus 3 squared. And then I press enter. Now, if you know your transformations, you know the minus 3 is going to cause the whole graph to shift to the right 3 units. And if you know your transformations, you know that multiplying the whole function by 2 is going to make it narrower. So we're looking for the student who says it gets shifted to the right 1, 2, 3 units. And you can clearly see that the red function, g of x, is narrower than the blue function. All right, so let's go and look at the answer choices. All right, both Ashley and Beth said that it's moving left 3 units, and it's not. G of x is not moving left 3. Carl said that the graph is wider, and it's not. G of x is wider, it's not, it's narrower, but he did have the direction right. He said it was shifted 3 units to the right. So Carl is also wrong because he said it was wider. And now Don is the only one that got it. Don said the graph is going to be shifted 3 units to the right, and it's going to be narrower. So that is our answer choice. So for these, if you remember your transformations, that's wonderful. But even if you remember your transformations, you should actually graph it and make sure that what you think is happening is actually happening. So always check it by graphing. All right, that's it. There's not much to this. All right, so I am going to stop and I am going to post this.